Hello.
No.
Hi. Hi, Evan. Welcome to Listen and Speak. Hello.
Yes.
How are you, Evan? It's been a while.
I'm good.
Oh, that's cool. So we will start our English class for tonight, and I want you to listen carefully, okay? Because we
Mhm.
will be using a new book. Because we're done with our previous book, I will introduce to you the book that we will use from now on. So as you can see, we will be using Science 4 now. We're done with Science 3. And our first lesson will be all about grouping plants. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so what's our first lesson here, Evan? It's all about
Grouping plan.
grouping plants. So we will talk about different groups of plants. Okay? And I know you're familiar with some of this, and then we will name them for you. So our first word is
Flowering plan.
flowering plant. So any flower that can produce, or sorry, any plant that can produce flowers. Can you tell me an example of a flowering plant, Evan?
How could I?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
How could I?
What's that?
No, how could I do this?
Oh, I'm asking if you can name a
I
plant
don't know.
that produce flowers, like roses. It's a plant that has flowers.
Yeah.
What else? Can you look here, please? We're having a class, but you're not looking here. I can see you. Oh, there you go. Okay. So here, Evan, another examples are dandelions, sunflower,
Yes.
jasmine, lavender. So these are plants that usually produce plants and they are so pretty. Now, how about the next word? Can you help me?
Okay. Conifer.
Okay, so what is that? Can you read? What's this kind of plant?
A tree that produces seeds inside cones.
Yeah, so I know you're very familiar because we always use this kind of cone to decorate our Christmas trees. Are you familiar with these cones?
No.
Oh, they look like a knot, but they have like this. Let me try to draw one for you. It looks like this, and then it looks like this, and looks like this, and then it looks like this. Oh no, I'm very sorry. And then it looks like a cone.
Ah, this one.
Yes.
I
I'm not
I
good at
I know it.
I'm not good at drawing, but that's the one. Okay, so any any plant that produces cones like this that has seeds inside, we call it, what do you call it again? Can you read this for me?
Conifer.
Okay. How about here? What's the next
Moss.
one? Moss. Okay, moss is a very tiny kind of plant. Okay, they usually grow in wet areas or moist areas like old buildings, walls, old sinks, like near lakes, near rivers. You can see stones with the moss. So have you seen moss before?
Mm, mm, moss.
Yeah, have you seen moss before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So where did you see some?
In the lake.
Me, when I was a kid, there's a river near our area where you can like play, swim, and whenever we go to the river, I can see a lot of stones with moss.
I have this.
What's that?
This is food for this plant.
Oh, really? That's cool. Where did you get that?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Okay, so another type or group of plants is
Fern.
fern. So fern are what? What is a fern?
A green plant with long stems and thin leaves.
Yes, you call that fern. So we usually see ferns in the garden. They use it as a display in restaurants or somewhere in some spas or in some buildings near your place. You can see some ferns there because they are usually used to like put it uh, as a wall decor, sometimes as a fence, because ferns has long stems and very thin leaves. Leaves. How about here? Next is
Four.
spores. So as you can see here, we can see a lot of spores growing behind this leaf. Now, what is a spore?
One of the thin
Tiny,
repro-
tiny,
tiny
reproductive.
reproductive bodies of ferns and mosses, similar to the seeds of other plants.
Yes. Okay, so spores, unlike mammals that they have like external or different reproductive organs to reproduce, plants have what they call spores. Okay. Okay, so spores, it's a reproductive body from a fern or moss, but it's in the form of seeds. So when they fall down, another plant will grow. So let's have this one. The next word is
Oh, content.
contain.
Yeah.
Okay, contain means there's something inside something. Okay, for example, I want to show you my coin purse. This is where I put my coins. Can you hear that? Can you hear that sound?
No.
Oh, you can't hear it, but when I open it, you can see my money and my coins. So when we say contain, for example, my coin first contains money. How about you? Can you use contain in a sentence, Evan? For
Hmm.
example, my
Oh, what we call this?
oh, what's that?
This is
It's a pencil case? Oh
no,
no, it's a
like
photo album.
yeah, and this here is
Oh, can you say my photo album contains
my photo album contains what's this?
what's that? Are
Who,
these pictures?
yeah, who
Oh,
can
these are cards. Pokemon
yes.
cards? Oh yes. You like Pokemons?
No,
What's
but
that?
I love it.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you still
And
buy some?
two
Do you
or
still
one
buy
years
new?
ago,
Okay. So do you still buy some cards nowadays, or you stopped buying?
I have this too. In this box, I have this.
Oh, another set of cards. So there were once your favorites when you were younger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to our book. Let's look here, please. So here,
Okay.
Evan, we can see another representation of grouping plants by flowers. So like we did a while ago, we have flowering plant, conifer, moss, or fern. So I want you to read this thoroughly or carefully, please.
Okay. Okay.
I know it's
Flowering
I know it's
plant.
fun to show the cards. I like them, but we need to go back here. Maybe later we'll have time to look at them again, okay? Can you read this for me,
Okay.
Evan?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Flowering plant.
Flowering. Okay, flowering plant. What is a flowering plant?
Flowering plants have flowers. Flowers can make fruit and seeds.
Nice one. And what is the next one?
Next one is conifer.
What is it? Can you help me?
It is conifer have no flower. They have cones, and the cone contains seed.
So they don't have no flowers, but they produce cones that has seeds in it. Look, this is what I'm trying to draw a while ago, but I'm not good at drawing. Can you see it?
Hmm?
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm not a good artist, so I
But
can draw
I
very well.
understand it.
Oh, thank you. So do you decorate the Christmas tree?
Huh?
Okay, do you decorate the Christmas tree when it's Christmas?
I think so.
Oh, so most of the time, Christmas trees goes with this kind of decorations, like this. Oh,
Sorry, I can't hear you.
hello?
Yeah, no, no, no. I can't hear it very well.
Oh, there you go. Do you want me to speak louder or can you hear me better now?
This is okay. I heard that.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah?
Okay, there you go. So here, this is how you read it properly. You say conifer.
Conifer.
Okay, conifer, they have no flowers. Remember that. That's the difference of these plants from the others. They don't produce flowers at all. How about the
Okay.
next one?
Next one.
Oh, this is what I saw when I was a kid. Like this kind of moss and fern.
Mm,
Yes. Can you read what does this mean?
okay. Mosses and fern do not have flowers or seeds. They use spores to reproduce.
They use spores to reproduce. Very good. So remember the spores that we talk about, the very tiny circles attached to behind of their leaves. So that's how they produce. How about this one? We're done grouping plants by flowers, okay?
Yeah.
And now we will group them by their stems. So there are four groups of plants by stems. So let's start with the first one.
Okay. Tree.
The tree has,
A main stem called the trunk.
so a tree, you can't just call any plants you see a tree, okay? There's like identifications that you should look at in order to call that plant a tree. And the most prominent one, the most obvious one when you look at it is the very big trunk. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, it's tall, it's long, it's hard, and you can see that there are stems growing in it. Then it's tree. How about the next one?
A tulip.
Oh, I love tulips. Tulips is it seems like it's the top three. It's in the top three of my favorite flowers. It will
Mm,
be roses, sunflowers, then tulips. How about you?
Pond.
What kind of flower do you like?
I like hot.
What's that? Can you send me a picture so I can see? And then let's see what kind of stem
Picture.
do they have. Oh, did you send something to me?
No, not yet.
Oh, yeah. Okay, just tell me so I can check it. Hello?
Yeah, I am doing.
Oh, sorry. You're not moving. I thought there's a problem with the internet connection. That's why I'm asking if you're there. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute because we still have a lot of things to talk about.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, 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 okay. Um, um, um.
Okay. Evan?
I am done.
Oh, you're done? I can't see anything here. Oh, there you go. Oh, but it's I can see it. It's not.
Then I have to send you a message.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Can you just tell me what's the name of this plant? Okay. So let me like translate it real quick. Oh, rose. It's like a rose. I like roses too. Now, so here we're done with talking about tree. Tulip has a very soft green stem. Okay? Like you need to
Okay.
be careful when you pick up a tulip because it's very fragile. You can just damage the stem easily because it's really soft. How about the next one?
Bush.
A bush. So
Many
bush,
woody stand.
yeah. So we usually use a bush to like cover our fence, okay? Because it looks pretty. It also produce a lot of pretty flowers. So how can you say something is a bush when you go and near it and look at it and you see a lot of tiny, tiny woody stems?
Yeah.
Yes. How about the next one? Oh, I hate this plant. This hurts. I
Cactus.
remember when I was a kid, I tried to poke this plant and I got a thorn, a splinter, because I am so naughty back
There
then.
is a cactus in my house.
Really? Is it a big
Yeah,
one?
no, very small.
Oh, like baby cactus. That's
If it is big, here is
have you tried touching it?
yeah.
Oh, did you get hurt?
No?
Oh, you're so brave. Okay, so what is cactus and why is it in a different group of plants? Let's see.
Or system that stores water.
So we have different group for cactus because they are very different because they store water inside their stem. That's why they can survive in a very hot place. When it rains, their body stores extra water. So when the hot season comes, they have like a water to use in order to survive. So again, Tori, I'll ask you, what are the four groups of plants by stems?
Tree, tulip, bush,
How
cactus.
about by flower?
Huh?
What are the three groups of plants by flowers?
Flowering plants, conifer, moss,
Four.
mushroom.
Very good. So now let's have this one. So we will use this words, the words that we used a while ago, to complete this one. Okay? Let's start with number one. What kind of plant is this?
Moss.
Oh no, it's not a moss. This is a moss.
Oh.
It's a fern. Can you help me say it?
Fern?
Yes. Can you please read this sentence for me?
Fern. Have leaf but do not have flower.
You're reading like a little kid, like fern have leaves that have flowers.
The
Can I
field
hear it
is
properly?
full. Okay, off.
Oh,
The
let's
field
break.
is full of flowering plants.
Oh, flowering plants. I love it when I see fields filled with flowering plants. It looks like a magical garden. How about the next one? Can you help me? Number three.
Mm.
This is the reproductive bodies or parts of
Fern?
fern or moss. And it starts with letter S.
Stem.
Po is po.
Oh, spawner. Forest.
Spores. Now, can you read this sentence?
Many spores are found on the leaf.
Nice one. How about number 4?
Okay. A pine tree is what type of mm,
What is a
pine
pine tree?
pine tree is I think it starts
Letter
L.
C. It's letter C. Caw.
Called camel.
No. It's the type of plant
Cactus.
that they don't have flowers, but they have these cones with seeds in.
Clown.
No.
Conifer.
Okay. How
A
about number
pine
5?
tree is a type of conifer.
How about the number 5?
Avocado.
Avocados? Like something inside it.
Yeah.
It starts with letter
A
C. Like what you told me a while ago.
spelling.
No, your photo album blank cards.
Yeah.
It starts with letter C. Con,
Conserve.
te, conte,
Compare.
conte.
Continent.
No.
Avocado contain a big seed.
How about number 6? What's this?
Green moss grows in wet areas.
Nice one. Now let's have this one. Can you choose the plants that have seeds? Can you
Seed.
choose the plants that have
B
seeds? Only B?
and C.
I think letter C, these are flowers, not seeds. So we can be sure with letter B. Okay? Because the picture is really blurry. We can confirm is that are these flowers or fruits. Now let's have this one. Same thing. It's about the words, and I want you to choose the best one. Can you help me with number 1, please?
Okay. Okay.
You can do this. Let's go.
One of the tiny reproductive bodies of ferns and mostly similar to the seeds of other plants.
Mhm.
Stem. Oh, no.
One of the
Fern.
tiniest. 4. Very good. 4. Oh no, what's that? Esporio. It's 4. Now let's have this one. Number 2.
Okay.
You can do this.
To have something inside of object or contain.
Contain. See? That's very fast. Number 3.
Okay. Mm, uh, okay. A green plant with long stems and thin leaf. Oh, moss.
Uh-huh. Long stems.
Ah,
And leaves.
fern.
Fern. Very good. You still have 4, 5, and 6.
A plant which produce flowering plant.
Okay, how about number 6? Or number 5, sorry.
Okay.
Let's do
Oh,
this. So we can finish real quick too.
I can see it.
Oh,
A
sorry.
tree that produces seeds inside cone. The conifer.
Conifer, very good.
A small green plant that grows in wet areas moss.
What's that? Moss.
Mm.
You didn't answer number 6.
I answered.
Really? I didn't
You
hear.
can't
Sorry.
hear it. But I
Okay.
answered.
Okay, so you did great. Now let's test your thinking skills. Evan, let's answer this true or false activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Flowers can make seeds without fruit.
Mm-hmm. Flowers
Hmm,
can make seeds without fruit.
true.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Actually, flowers can. Okay, so they can't produce seeds without fruits. They use what's inside their flowering reproductive organs to produce seeds, like very, very small ones. How about number 2?
Uh, all all type of plants make seed. False.
False. There are plants that don't make seeds. They only make flowers. And there are plants that don't make flowers. They only make seeds. How about number 3?
Okay. Moths grow flowers to reproduce.
Mosses grow flowers to reproduce.
False.
False. They grow spores. Okay? Like ferns. Now we have this. We still have minutes left. And I think we can try this together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about grouping plants.
Grouping plants. There are two types of
Sorry.
plants. One type has flowers and the other does not. Flowering plants have flowers. Flowers can make fruit and seeds.
Mm-hmm.
Or first flowers make orange. The fruit contains seeds. Flowers can make seeds without making fruit. Most vegetables have flowers. We sometimes eat these flowers.
Conifers.
Conifers have no flowers, but they have cones. The cones contain seeds. The seeds fall out of the cones. They can become a new conifer tree. Another tree with no flowers is the maple tree. It has unusual seeds. They look like wings. The seeds can travel a long way from the seed. Mosses and ferns are unusual plants. They do not have flowers or seeds. They use spores to reproduce. Instead of seeds, mosses often grow on wet rocks. Ferns usually live in warm, shady, and wet places.
Okay, now you're done reading. Let's see. Do you remember something from it? Let's try this reading skill. So we learned that one type of plant has flowers and the other does not. Now let's talk about the details.
Yeah. Okay. Some plants have flowers and fruit. Fruit contains seed.
Very good. Okay. Blank have no flowers.
Um,
It's the one that starts with letter C.
the sing.
Caw,
Con, con,
con.
Cornish, Corniton,
Oh,
Confer,
let's read.
have no flowers, but they have
Conifers.
cones which contain seeds.
How about here? Letter C and letter D. Can you help me?
Wow! Okay. Okay. Moses and felt, fled, friends
Very good. Mm-hmm.
do not have flowers or seed. They use mm, on spores
Very good.
to produce instead of seeds.
Nice one. See, you got it all correct. Thank you, Elton. Now we are ready to go to the next page. So you're done with that. Now, I'll give you an option, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If you can answer these questions very quick, we will play a guessing game. But if you don't answer really quick, we will consume the time and we can't play anymore. So let's have number one.
Okay. What kind of place do ferns live in? Rocks?
Okay, especially rocks beside the rivers. So they want what kind of places? Wet.
What kind of place? Wet area.
Okay, can you please answer it in a sentence?
Mm, Fern live in a wet area.
How about number two?
Where do mosses often grow? Of course, I think it is okay. Correct. Same one, I think. No?
Okay. Where do mosses often grow? Actually, it's the same thing. That's
Yeah, wet
correct.
area.
Yes, wet areas. So,
Mosses
but
often grow
uh,
in
but
wet area.
mosses attach themselves to rocks. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's the difference. So let's have this one. We're already done for tonight. Now I want Evan to help me with something. Okay,
Yeah.
can you please?
Hmm?
Can you
What?
please help me?
Okay. Most
Okay.
vegetable have what?
Can you help me choose or think of a game that we can play?
So I think
How about let's guess the Pokemon?
okay.
Okay, so my Pokemon is pink and it loves to sing.
Ah, it is like this one. Pink circle and
Yeah, it has big,
triangle ears.
yes. It,
Yeah. I don't know that name.
it's Jigglypuff.
It is it in Korea. It is Prince.
Oh, how about you? Can you describe your favorite Pokemon?
Um, I like this.
Oh, you need to describe it like the color,
Okay.
its
I
powers.
I will do another one. It has a very long hair
Mm-hmm.
and it is red and the feet is yellow.
Oh, it's a bird. Is it like a
No.
bird Pokemon or no?
Little bit similar.
Oh, I don't know. What is
And
this
it
Pokemon?
it can kick.
Oh, can you show me what is this Pokemon? Oh, there you go. What's the name of that in Korean?
번치코.
Why is it your favorite Pokemon?
This is why my favorite Pokemon.
Oh, why? Why is it? Why is it
It
your
is
favorite
it
Pokemon? What's
is
the
it
reason?
is very good. It looks.
Oh, it looks good.
This too.
Okay, they look very powerful. So we are done for tonight, Evan. So it's already 9, or sorry, it's already 10. So now we're done with our class and we'll be seeing each other again for our next English class next meeting, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that's it for tonight. Evan, thank you very much. See you and have a great night, okay? Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.